Good afternoon, everyone. So I hope everyone's having an amazing day today, and Happy New Year's. So today I'll talk about 5 things that I hate about my Evo. So yeah, the first thing that I hate about my Evo is that they actually didn't come with cruise control. So I have a funny story. When I first bought the Evo, as soon as I saw it, I fell in love. After I drove it and hit boost for the first time, I fell in love even more. The only thing I was worried about was making sure that the car ran fine. So a few days later, I decided to go visit my family that lives 4 hours away, and I was probably about 20 to 30 miles out of town when I tried putting cruise control on, and I realized at that moment that the car didn't have cruise control. Yeah, I was looking everywhere for it. I definitely got my leg workout that day. The second thing I hate about my Evo is the fact that Mitsubishi decided to put a Lancer logo in the car. Like, why didn't you just put like a boost gauge or something else, something that would help this car? It makes no sense to put a Lancer logo right there where a gauge could go. So yeah, the third thing I hate about this Evo is the interior. I don't understand why Mitsubishi didn't do a little more details to make the dash actually black instead of like this. It's like almost like a navy blue interior, as you can see. And for this being an MR trim, you would think it would have more details compared to the other ones, or I don't know, better quality, because like this plastic right here is like really thin, and in the winter, especially when you're driving, you hear a lot of little crackles and popping sounds, which I don't know, I don't like that. So, and this is the fourth thing I hate about my Evo. This is the steering wheel at full lock. Like, the steering ratio in this car sucks. I think I might buy a angle kit and give it that drift mod. So the fifth and last thing that I hate about my Evo would probably be this transmission. I feel like the shifting in this car could be a lot better and smoother. I don't know. I've heard and read a lot of horror stories about the 6-speed MR transmission, and that's why a lot of people switch to the 5-speed. So hopefully in the near future, I'll switch to the 5-speed. So yeah, even though there are a few things that I hate about this car, there are so many more things that I like and love about this car. And it just gives me an excuse to continue modding it. So yeah, in the comment section below, let me know, what are the few things that you hate about your car? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content.